So for this video, what we will do is we will add decimals. So first things first, the key in adding decimals is just similar to how we add whole numbers. But this time, we will try to align first the decimal point in both numbers. So if we have 28.2 plus 93.5. So if we add this, we will write this one as 28.2, and again we need to align the decimal point. So put it out here and put the numbers in here, out here. So we will have 93.5. So we add this one just like whole numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. Bring down the decimal point. 8 plus 3 is 11. So there will be carry here. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 1. That would give us 12. And so that is the answer. So again, the key here is to align these decimal points and bring it down out here. Let's have this one. If we have 382.6 plus 126.5. So again, to add this, we have 382.6, align the decimal point, and put the remaining numbers. So 126.5. So we add this one. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is 1. Carry 1 here. 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 1. So that's 9. And forget the decimal point. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And with the other one, give us 5. And so this is the answer. Let's try this one. If we have 654.321 plus 87.09. So we have 654.321. Align the decimal point. We have 87.09. So as you can see here, we have 1 out here, but we don't have any number that aligns with it. So what we do with that is we add a 0 here. So that is another key in adding decimal numbers. We can add zeros at the last digit if necessary. So we have 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. Bring that 1 here. 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 1 would give us 4. Bring down the decimal point. 7 plus 4 is 11. 5 plus 8 is 13. And the other one out here would give us 4. Bring that out here. And then we have 7. And so that is our final answer. Let's go on to our fourth example. If we have 12.3456 plus 0.987. So again, to add this one, this would become 12.3456 plus, align the decimal point, and put the necessary numbers around it. So this is 0. This would have 9. 8, and 7. And again, we can add a 0 here so that 6 would have a partner number in this addition. And so we have 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 5 is 12, bring that one up. 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 1, give us 13, bring out the 1 here. 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 1 would give us 13 again, bring that one out here, bring down the decimal point. 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 1, give us 3, and bring down the 1. And so this is the final answer. Also, feel free to verify these solutions on yourself and in your calculators. Let us have this example. If we have 128.2 plus 340. So this time, we have a whole number out here. So this would give us, again, 128.2, align the decimal place. And so how do we incorporate a whole number into this? Well, the key thing to note is that this one is equal to 340 with the decimal at the last place. So we have 340 out here. And then again, we can add some necessary zeros if we want out here. So now we have converted the whole number into its decimal form. So we have 2 plus 0 is 2, bring down the decimal point. 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4. And so that is the answer. Let's try another example involving a whole number. So if we have 363 plus 80.5. So again, we can write this one as 363 with a decimal point and the last digit after the last digit. So this would give us 363 with a decimal point plus, bring down the decimal point out here and align the remaining numbers. So this would be 85, and we can add another necessary 0 here like that. So we have set up our addition out here, so we simply add now. So we have 0 plus 5 is 5, bring down the decimal point. 3 plus 0 is 3, 6 plus 8 is 14, bring the 1 out here, and this would give us 4. So that is the answer. Let's try one last example. If we have 1.2 plus 23.45 plus 0.678. So for this example, we're now adding 3 decimal numbers. So we still apply the same idea out here, but this time we will try to align 3 numbers this time. So this one is equal to 1, let's adjust that one, 1.2 plus, and plus, since we have 2 numbers, so we have 2 decimal points to align out here. So there. So this one is 23.45 and 0.678. So adding some necessary zeros out here to avoid confusion. And so we can now add these numbers. So 0 plus 0 plus 8 would give us 8. 0 plus 5 plus 7 would give us 12. Carry the 1 here. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 6 is 12. Plus the 1. So that would give us 13. Carry the 1 out here. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus the 1 out here. So that would have 5. And bring down the 2. And so this is our answer. And so basically that is how we add decimals. Again, the key thing to remember here is that we just add them like whole numbers, but with aligning the decimal points first. So the key here is to master your basic arithmetic or your basic addition in terms of any whole numbers. And also avoid the misalignment of place values here, because we can mistakenly write this as, if we write this as 6, 7, 8 like that, then the alignment is incorrect already here. So be careful of that one. And so that is all for this video.